Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Audi Q5 Quattro, with 500k worth of upgrades. 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 19,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained at TGA EDSA, pristine condition, plate ending 1, 20-inch BBS upgraded wheels, Michelin tires, ceramic coated, paddle shifter, leather seats, power seats, Bang & Olufsen speakers, power liftgate, and parking brake, reverse camera, parking sensors, with spare key at owner's manual, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, verified clean papers, mechanic inspected, free detailing, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 2,188,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 788,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact Jayce. / 2015 model Subaru Forester, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 80,000 kilometers plus mileage, well-maintained, panoramic sunroof, ending plate 5, push start, 5-seater, with airbags, steering controls, auto-fold side mirror, alloy mags, leather seat, all stock, all original, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, verified clean papers, mechanic inspected, free detailing, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 121,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact Jayce. / 2018 model Honda Civic RS Turbo, top of the line, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 49,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, push start, premium leather seats, central locking system, touchscreen monitor, steering controls, central locking system, daytime running light, SRS airbag, all stock, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, verified clean papers, mechanic inspected, free detailing, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 918,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 233,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact Jayce. / 2021 model Mitsubishi Xpander GLS, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 34,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, plate ending 2, push start, cruise control, touchscreen display, leatherette seat cover, fog lamps, reverse camera, rain visors, with spare key, owner's manual at booklet, all stock, all power, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire, verified clean papers, mechanic inspected, free detailing, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 828,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 212,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact Jayce. 2022 Model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 23,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, flawless in and out, keyless entry, push-button start, 360 camera, panoramic sunroof, cruise control, touchscreen LED unit, steering wheel controls, leather seats, proximity sensors, power seats, spare key fob, all stock, all power, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire, verified clean papers, mechanic inspected, free detailing, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 898,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 201,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact Jayce. 2019 model Suzuki Swift GL, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 34,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained, plate ending 3, fuel efficient, SRS airbag, fog lamps, daytime running light with spare key, owner's manual at booklet, all stock, all power, all original, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire, verified clean papers, mechanic inspected, free detailing, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 578,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 126,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact Jayce. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact Jayce, 096670611170, Viber and WhatsApp ready, operating hours, 9 AM to 6 PM, located at 6th floor Valero Car Park 2 Makati City. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.